Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This one's an unboxing of Huawei GT5. Okay, so this one is actually a present for my sister. My sister's birthday is June the 16th, so I decided to get this one because she's been using an Apple Watch for the last, 4 years now, and she's been saying that she gets 2, maybe 3 hours battery life. It's past the warranty, so Apple's not going to do anything about it. I showed her she asked me basically, she knows I know about technology. She says she doesn't care about Android or Apple. She just wants something that lasts more than 2 to 3 days. So I actually said that, she knows I got loads of digital watches. And I said, the two watches that gives me more than a week are these two. The Xiaomi S4 or the Huawei Watch GT5. This is the bigger version, right? And she chose the Huawei one because I'll tell you why. Even though Xiaomi has the Panda, but she saw the Panda on the watch face on my one that does animation. You get a bunch of them. That sold it to her. She literally loves pandas. I think a lot of girls do, really. Then again, I like pandas. That's why one of my watch faces was that. So, and I said also, when it comes down to longer battery life, I think that the Huawei just edges it by an extra day or two, probably 2 days more, because I can easily get 10 days, sometimes even 12 days out of the Huawei watches like that. And I showed her some pictures of the 41mm one, and she loved this one. And she said, you know what, she'd buy whenever, but she doesn't know I got this, so I posted this up afterwards, and I'm going to open it up just to play around with it. First, I'm going to use an excuse saying that I'm just checking to make sure making sure everything's all inside, nothing's been cracked or anything like that. So I'm not going to set this up, of course not. This is for my sister. So I'm going to use an excuse saying that, yeah, just to make sure that it's, everything is all present. So also in the intro, you see all the specs and everything like that. I'm a big fan of Huawei. I got the GT4 and the GT5. Both got amazing battery life. And of course the GT5 has the Panda face, which is amazing. This is it. What is it, 41? Because I think I'm convinced my sister saying, look, I can't stand watches that are square. I don't know why, it just annoys me. Just my opinion, of course. If you have a square watch, that's entirely up to you. But I just can't stand square watches or rectangle. I'm old-fashioned. I prefer round watches, and I think my sister's coming to agree with that because it does look, in my opinion, it's just my opinion, it's more sophisticated. Just looks more like a watch, Nice packaging, of course. Inside here, I don't want to be a bit more gentle because I need to put it back in and wrap it up as a present. Paperwork. If she finds that I opened it, I'll just say, look, I said this before, say I'm going to check to make sure everything's all present. If anything, I can always return it. This side, you got the dock. This one's the circle one, which doesn't have any pins. And then you got this one, which is this, like my GT5, it would be A to C. So I'm not going to open that up. That's about it inside the box. Nicely packaged though, I do like it. So I decided to get this now early because it was £40 off. £40 off. What's it cost me? £189.99. £40 off. To be fair though, I was a bit gutted because I actually wanted the freebie because I knew that with my GT5 I had the freebie, a free earbuds. I created a big collection of a lot of free earbuds, and to be fair, and probably I was expecting it as well. I mean, you shouldn't expect anything in life, but it's a shame they're saying this is it. So yeah, I remember my GT5 did have a spare, the free earbuds, and also a spare. You got a free strap as well. I was hoping at least that one because I was actually thinking of getting a green one if there's available. So this is it. It's nice. It's got that crown. He actually does it. Nice. Now I'm thinking I might. It's actually really nice. It feels great. It's got that. I love this kind of whatever that is. It's quite nice little subtle details I do like. Here you go, more. You can, if I'm gonna open this, just to double check, you can see here, I'm trying to be careful, this one's a lot easier than that. If you want to change the strap, the other one you got to clip it, and it is a bit of a nightmare. This one you just push it, it unlocks, you stick it and you push it back in. So that's pretty easy. I hope more watch companies will do kind of take examples of that. But overall, that's a quick unboxing. Like I said, I'm not going to set this up. This is a birthday present, and we'll try and put it back in, and hopefully she doesn't notice any difference. Anyway, so that's about it. I hope you liked that quick unboxing. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're in the world. Please do stay safe. Goodbye now.